Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, I'm back from my mini vacation within vacation, and had a great time with my family. But while I was on my vacation, a new trailer dropped, and a lot of you commented that please react to the trailer. This is Irul. This stars Fahad, Sobin, and Darshana. What a great cast! What a great cast! This is going to be releasing on Netflix. So I told a lot of you that yes, I will then watch the trailer once I'm back in Kolkata. And yes, today here I am doing this reaction. Now I'm looking at the description. It says, a dark rainy night, an empty house, a stranded couple, and an unknown man. So this is a thriller basically. A sleek game of cat and mouse starts playing on as the three of them find a dead body in the basement. So they have given the premise out. The movie takes the shape of an old-fashioned ward unit, the kind with mystery, suspense, and house which feels like a mousetrap. So this looks extremely interesting. Count me in. This is gonna release on 2nd April, and basically we have to find out. We have to put our brains together and find out who is basically the killer. So yes, without dealing this any further, I know the context of the film now thanks to Netflix. They have given it out in the description. Let's react to Irul. All right. Wow.
വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് മുമ്പ് നടന്ന കൊലപാതകത്തെ അടിസ്ഥാനമാക്കിയല്ല താങ്കൾ ആ കൃതി എഴുതിയത്.
അതെ.
അയാൾ നടത്തിയ 6 കൊലകൾ.
6 അല്ല, 5 കൊലകൾ.
എൻ വിനോ വെരിറ്റാസ് 5 കൊലകൾ. അതിന്റെ പിന്നിലെ കാരണം
പക.
ആരോട്?
സ്ത്രീകളോട്.
അമ്മയാണ്. പക്ഷെ പകയ്ക്ക് പിന്നിലുള്ള കാരണം നിങ്ങളുടെ കൃതിയിൽ വ്യക്തമാണ്.
Stop it! I need to fucking know what happened downstairs!
Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. 2nd April. Of course I'm gonna watch it. Of course. Why? So I think Sobin and Darshana are the couple, and the Fahad is the stranger. That's what I think. That's what I think. Oh man. Oh. Fahad's new film. Of course I'm gonna watch it. And what a great cast. Sobin, Fahad, and Darshana. Wow. Let's stop this. The music. Oh, now I wish they hadn't given the summary of the film. I wish they hadn't, because now I know that it's an empty house. There's a stranded couple. I think Sobin and Darshana are the couple, and an unknown man, because I think Fahad is the unknown man, and that house is his, and he's basically the novelist. So I don't know. That's what I think. Oh my god. No other credits are given though. No other credits are given. Of course, I'll see in the description like who is the cinematographer and all of that, the technical team. But this looks fabulous as usual. I mean, the trailer cut looks great. It has already piqued my interest, and this is a genre where I expect a little bit of jump scares. It's not really horror, but it's more of a thriller, a crime psychological thriller, where I think there would be certain jump scares and horror elements as well, because that is what the background score is also suggesting you, that you're gonna be like on the edge of your seat and thinking, oh my god, who's the killer? What's gonna happen next? What's gonna happen next? So I think if they manage to keep that mystery and the pace throughout the run of the film, I think it'll turn out to be a great movie. Of course, 2nd April, I'm gonna watch it. Obviously, I'm gonna watch it. Fahad film, I'm not gonna miss it out, as you all know. Do let me know about the director. I have not watched any of his work, so you guys can give me some context, but otherwise overall I'm very happy with the trailer. I'm very happy that the sense of mystery and thrill that they have created within this trailer. And yes, I think if they had not given out this summary also, it would have been fine. It would have been fine, because not many days are left for the release of this movie. So yes, I am excited. Let me know if you are excited as hell like me or not. And yes, that was it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this reaction. I've come till the end of the video, and I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.